And Dave here. Today we're doing one of my favorites, some homemade Rocky Road ice cream. It's super delicious, so let me walk you through this. First off, we're going to add a can of condensed milk, followed by 6 tablespoons of cocoa. And of course we're going to whisk this till it's well combined. We'll just set this aside. Next up, in a separate bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and you can use all-purpose cream whenever you like. And we're going to beat this till soft peaks form, and this can take you, I'd say 6 to 7 minutes. Then we're going to pour this into the chocolate mixture about half at a time. Then using a spatula, fold it until everything is well incorporated. Then the other half, and fold it again, and look at this texture. It's beginning to look like ice cream. And let's face it, Rocky Road is not going to be a Rocky Road, so I'm going to add in half a cup of chocolate chips. And this is totally optional. Half a cup of chopped walnuts. I just love walnuts. Then 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Give it a quick fold until it's combined. Actually, I gave this a taste and it's so delicious. After that, I'm going to transfer it into an ice cream container. You can use a container of your choice. Actually, this container came from some leftover ice cream, but I like it. Pop the top on and place it in the freezer for, I'd say, about 6 to 8 hours, or overnight is best. After it's chilled, just look at that, just so lovely. You can serve this up in a cone or in a glass like I'm doing. Top it off with some walnuts. And there you have it, guys, our homemade Rocky Road ice cream. So let's give this a taste test. It's creamy, smooth, refreshing, chocolatey. You're gonna love this. You gotta try it. And you know what? It's so much better than the store-bought stuff. For the recipe, head on over to our blog at cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.